In this video, we are going to see how we can pay for any kind of service that is paid by cash. As we can see here, on 31st of January, it says packing charges paid by cash. So from Teleprime and from the gateway of Tele, we will click on the vouchers. And since this is a payment, on the right hand side, we can see this payment option right here. Just click here and we are paying it by cash. Just make sure that the date of transaction is 31st of January. And packing charges. So I'll just select packing charges directly from here. Otherwise, you can just simply create it in the direct or indirect expenses. It is created in direct expenses because this is the special packing that we do for our shirts and pants or our finished goods. So the total amount is 60,000. And in the narration, I can just simply copy this narration right here, paste it in the narration, press Ctrl A, and this is how we can record the cash purchase of services in Teleprime. Just try this by yourself and I'll see you in the next one.